Close enough. Alright, so the 13th floor is, guess what type of roll? Just guess. You have to guess, 13-stroke roll. So a 13-stroke roll is 1.5 beats. So if you don't have all these papers on the page right here, well, get them and learn them. So 13-stroke roll is a 1.5 count roll. 1 E and a 2 E and. 1 E and a 2 E and. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. So the check is 1 E and a 2 E and. 1 E and a 2 E and. So if you don't know that, then I wouldn't even bother with the solo. This is always built off those two things. If you do know that, let's dig in a little further. So we're gonna go a line at a time. And we're gonna try to break down all this stuff so you don't wonder what they sound like. So the first line, let me get it quick. First line is gonna be the easiest. So enjoy it while it lasts. So the first line is. So it starts with that rhythm, and then it goes louder. Then it goes back to that rhythm soft, and then loud. So you have medium, then loud, medium, then loud. So make sure you get your regular rhythm soft, and then loud for these next part. Alright? The next line is this 9-stroke rhythm. 1, 2, 1 E and a 2. It's kind of the main idea. Right, left, right. Alright, so you should pause that video while you're watching and make sure you can do that with the accent up. Then we have just like a roll thing after that. Right, left, right. So you hear those first two bars are kind of that same rhythm. Our first and third bar. Now change. And rhythm. Change. Okay? The next part, line 3, is going to have that, well, 3 in a little bit. We're going to get 3 up to that roll. 3 is going to have that 13-stroke roll check pattern. So we were talking about this before. Well, the next 3 measures are that, with the accent at the end. And then right, left, left. Or left, right, left, sorry. So right, left, right, left. And then back to the rhythm, and then roll. So keep all that soft. The whole thing is piano. And it's that roll, that check pattern the whole time. Okay? Brings us to measure 13. Measure 13 is phrase 4. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Phrase 4 is going to be the sforzandos. So if you want to sound cool in your music class one day, say, is that a sforzando? Sforzando is suddenly loud, and then soft. So, if you hear those first 2 notes are loud, and then the roll crescendos. Not very hard sticking, but hard to do that. You see, I need some work on that myself. That type of roll is the pushed. You're controlling each note, just like you play it on your leg. So that same technique has to go here. We're not dropping the diddles and doing this type of thing. Okay? That's cheating. That's the next part. So that would be our intro section 1 to 4. Here's our A section. So A1 is this. Gets a little hard. There's really not that much of a pattern to this. It's just a lot of notes you gotta figure out. So I'll break it down. Here's the first 2 bars. 1, 2. So we got a 9-stroke roll in there, and we have some accents before that 9-stroke roll. So listen to that again, I'll play it slow. 1, 2. 9-stroke roll. See how we tap that ending? That's the first 2 bars. Listen to that 50 times if you need to. Listen to this 50 times if you need to. There's really no rhyme or reason. You just gotta figure this stuff out. So, right hand diddles, and then a right hand accent. And then a left, That's all pretty hard. But there's the A1 section. A2 is going to have a lot of your 13-stroke rolls. This does have a little bit of a structure to it. So we have our 13-stroke roll. 1 E end to 2 E end. 1 E end to 2 E end. It's going to be a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this A2 section. So I'll take the first 2 bars for you again. So 1 E end to 2 E end. 1 E end to 2 E end. Not really what the counts are, but that you could hear that 13-stroke roll in there. Then the next part, there's a little misprint in there. If you want to write to Matt Savage, you can tell him. Another 13-stroke roll, weird rhythm, 13-stroke roll, 13-stroke roll. So listen to the next 2 bars. That weird rhythm was off left too, just for fun. I should probably just practice that. 3 and a 4E, a 1. 3 and a 4E, a 1. And then just 13-stroke rolls before it. So 13, 3 and a 4E, a 13, 13. And the last bar is right, 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 right. So a lot of right-hand diddles again. And those are those pushed fast ones. But we did that up there, so you should be able to get that. The B section is usually the hardest. It's the easiest, I kind of think. A lot of 13-stroke rolls is at weird places. So it sounds like 1, 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and a 1. So just quarter notes. Oh. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I suck. 1, 2, and. See what happens when you don't count, kids? So it's 1, 2, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. And then just some quarter notes, and then some more 13-stroke rolls. Nothing really that hard. So that's B1. B2, the last line, is a little weird. 13-stroke roll starting on the and. So it's 1 and a 2 and a 3. 1. 1. So make sure you either tap your foot or put your click on for that. But don't just play 13-stroke roll, because it's not on whenever, it's on the and. Hear that? And then the 13 in the middle there somewhere, 13 at the end. I mean, if you figured all that stuff out, you'll be able to figure that out. But now you can hear it, and that's all my rambling for today. Good luck.